Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the latest beauty products with expert insight. Today we're looking at a truly unique offering, the Flower Nose Violet Strawberry Rococo Makeup Box Set. This is a luxury collection that's as beautiful as it is functional, so let's unpack everything it has to offer and see if it's the right fit for your beauty routine. The Flower Nose Violet Strawberry Rococo Makeup Box Set includes 7 carefully curated items. This includes 2 lip glosses, 2 blushes, a blush brush, a hair clip, and a premium makeup box with a built-in mirror. The lip glosses are in shades G02 Raspberry Booze and G04 Blackberry Jam, while the blushes are in G01 Romantic Blossom and G02 Little Cranberry. All of these items are arranged in a sleek, high-quality makeup box made from synthetic leather and lined with foam padding. The box itself is adorned with a love buckle, a nod to the Rococo period, and measures approximately 7.87 by 6.61 by 3.78 inches, perfect for keeping everything organized and safe, whether at home or on the go. Now, let's talk about the real-world experience. Setting up and using the makeup box is incredibly straightforward. The products come pre-arranged in the box, so you're ready to go as soon as you open it. The lip glosses offer a nice mix of glossy shine and a bit of color, ideal for a casual, everyday look or building up for something more dramatic. The blushes are richly pigmented, and the blush brush feels soft and high quality. The hair clip is a nice touch, though it's more decorative than functional if you're looking for heavy-duty hold. The mirror in the lid of the box is a huge bonus. This makes it perfect for travel, where you need both convenience and portability without sacrificing quality. The box itself is surprisingly sturdy, with soft padding that protects the makeup from damage during transit. But, of course, no product is without its drawbacks. One of the potential downsides is the makeup box's size. While it's perfect for storing the products that come with the set, it may feel a bit bulky for those with smaller makeup collections. Also, while the lip glosses and blushes are of high quality, they do lean on the lighter side of pigmentation, meaning they might not stand out as much on deeper skin tones. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros. The overall design of the makeup box is absolutely stunning. It's both elegant and functional, making it a great decorative piece as well as a storage solution. High-quality items that are easy to use and travel-friendly. The inclusion of a mirror in the box is especially useful. The products themselves, lip glosses, blushes, and brush, are good quality, and you get a lot for the price considering the premium feel of the box. Cons. The pigmentation may not be as intense for those with darker skin tones, especially with the lip gloss and blush shades. The box could be a bit bulky for those with smaller makeup collections, or if you're looking for something compact. The hair clip, while a nice accessory, doesn't serve a strong functional purpose in terms of securing hair. Value for money. Given that this set is valued at $126, and you're also receiving the makeup box worth $50, the overall value is solid. While it's not the most budget-friendly option out there, you're definitely getting a high-quality product that delivers luxury without the sky-high price tag. The beauty of this set lies in its presentation and the convenience it offers. So if you're into elegant packaging and easy-to-use beauty items, this could very well be worth the investment. Comparison to alternatives. When compared to other makeup box sets at a similar price point, the Flower Nose Violet Strawberry Rococo Makeup Box stands out due to its packaging and unique Rococo aesthetic. It's not just about the products themselves, but the entire experience of opening the box and using it. If you're looking for more intense pigmentation or a smaller set, there are more budget-friendly options available, but they won't offer the same level of style or the all-in-one experience that this set provides. Build quality and longevity. The box is made from synthetic leather and feels durable. The foam padding inside helps protect the products, ensuring they won't get damaged easily. While I don't have long-term data yet, everything feels well-built and capable of lasting through multiple uses, whether you're storing it at home or taking it on the go. Customer support. I haven't had any direct interactions with customer support for this particular product, but based on the brand's reputation, they are generally known for their attention to detail and quality customer service. Final verdict. The Flower Nose Violet Strawberry Rococo Makeup Box Set is a beautifully crafted set that excels in its presentation and practicality. It's perfect for those who want an elegant beauty experience with high-quality products in an easy-to-use, travel-friendly box. However, if you're looking for something with more intense pigmentation or a more compact setup, you may want to explore other options. If you love luxury, vintage-inspired design, and a bit of extra elegance in your beauty routine, this set is certainly worth considering. Is this review useful to you? If it helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Thank you so much for joining me today on Beautyistic. If you're interested in this set, the link to grab it is in the comments box below. Let me know if you've already tried this makeup box or if you have any questions about it. Goodbye till next time, where beauty meets elegance and maybe a little bit of sparkle.